Imagine driving down the interstate, and suddenly, towering over everything else, you see it. Not a bus, not a camper, not even a tour coach. What's rolling past you is a two-story luxury palace on wheels. And it's not a fantasy. It's not concept art. This is GMC's bold leap into the future. A double-decker motorhome that's as outrageous as it sounds. Forget your idea of what an RV should be. This isn't just for road trips. This isn't for camping. This is for billionaires, celebrities, and world travelers who want to live like kings no matter where they park. Today, we're going inside one of the most mind-blowing luxury vehicles the world has ever seen. A two-story mobile mansion designed to give you the freedom of the open road without losing an inch of luxury. So buckle up, because this is the GMC Double-Decker motorhome, and it's about to change how we look at travel forever. At first sight, it's breathtaking, stretching nearly 75 feet in length and rising a full 25 feet in height. This is no ordinary motorhome. It's a moving skyscraper, a futuristic monolith rolling down the highway. The body is sculpted from brushed aerospace aluminum, reinforced with lightweight carbon fiber composites, meaning it looks sleek but hides serious strength underneath. GMC didn't just want durability, they wanted presence, and that presence shows. The entire frame is finished in obsidian black liquid glass, paint that shimmers under the sun. By night, LED tracers glow like neon veins, outlining the silhouette and giving it the appearance of a luxury spaceship gliding down the road. On either side, hidden panels slide open to reveal extendable glass balconies, turning parking spots into penthouse terraces. And up front, the driver's cabin is wrapped in panoramic smart glass, giving an uninterrupted view of the horizon while filtering glare automatically. From every angle, this machine doesn't just look expensive, it looks impossible. Approach the doors, and you're greeted not by a handle, but by facial recognition. The entry slides open automatically, and you step into a glass atrium foyer unlike anything you've ever seen in a vehicle. The floor is polished Carrara marble. The staircase curves upward in glowing white stone, while the glass walls around you shift from crystal clear transparency to full privacy with one voice command. GMC wanted this entryway to feel like walking into a five-star hotel lobby, and it does. Chandeliers hang overhead, their brightness shifting with the time of day. Wall panels glow subtly, casting a futuristic warmth across the space. Even the scent of the air changes, thanks to a built-in fragrance system that adjusts aroma based on your mood. It's an introduction that tells you instantly, this isn't a road trip camper. This is something else. The first floor is all about living, dining, and entertaining. The lounge is massive. Modular sofas adjust automatically to your posture. Surround sound speakers are built invisibly into the walls. A 100-inch OLED theater wall stretches across the living area, delivering a movie experience that feels closer to an IMAX than a TV. Around you, the walls are alive. Touch-sensitive surfaces that display art when idle, transform into panoramic windows when you want a view, or double as smart displays for anything from weather updates to stock market feeds. But the centerpiece is the chef's kitchen. At the heart is a stone island counter glowing under hidden LEDs. Dual induction ranges sit flush with the countertop. Appliances remain invisible until needed, sliding seamlessly out of walls and counters with a touch. The refrigerator recognizes items via AI, tracks what's inside, and orders replacements through satellite internet before you even run out. Next to the kitchen is the dining suite, a glass-top table that seats 8, surrounded by adaptive lighting that shifts color temperature to match sunrise, sunset, or evening candlelight. At the very rear of the first deck lies a surprise, the private wellness spa. Inside, you'll find a cedar sauna, a mist-filled steam chamber, and a rainfall shower that feels like standing under a tropical storm. A biometric massage chair scans your spine and delivers a custom program that melts away tension. This isn't camping comfort. This is a spa treatment while parked in the middle of nowhere. Take the glass elevator upstairs, and the second level, feels like a private boutique hotel reserved just for you. Here, GMC has built 3 private suites. Each is a self-contained luxury pod with plush bedding, hidden storage, ambient lighting, and AI-assisted controls for temperature, sound, and mood. But the master suite is the jewel of the second floor. At the center is a rotating king-size bed that turns to always face the sunrise. Behind it, floor-to-ceiling smart glass walls project the skyline of any city in the world. Tonight you could fall asleep in Tokyo. Tomorrow morning, you could wake up to the Alps. The master bath is finished in heated white marble, with a soaking tub trimmed in gold, a rainfall shower, and a smart mirror that doubles as a screen for news, video calls, or even personal fitness guidance. And then comes the Sky Lounge, a glass-walled living room with full 360-degree views of the world outside. The ceiling can project a swirling galaxy of stars, or retract completely, leaving you under the real night sky. A retractable grand piano rises silently from the floor, while a glowing bar refreshes itself automatically with chilled bottles. At night, the Sky Lounge doesn't just feel like a motorhome feature. It feels like a private observatory for the wealthy. The GMC Double-Decker's roof is not just a roof. It's a convertible terrace. By day, glass railings rise around the edges, creating a safe open-air platform. Sun loungers unfold automatically, while an outdoor kitchen module slides out of the wall, ready to serve cocktails or grilled meals. By night, the space transforms. A giant retractable 4K projector descends, turning the terrace into a private open-air cinema. Surround sound hidden, and the floor vibrates the space with clarity, while the starry night sky becomes your theater ceiling. It's a space for stargazing, for parties, for morning yoga, or for midnight movies. And it's unlike anything ever fitted to an RV before. But beauty means nothing without engineering. GMC built this double-decker to move like no other motorhome on Earth. Underneath is a hydrogen-electric hybrid drivetrain, generating 1,200 horsepower, giving it the muscle to push its massive size. The range? Nearly 800 miles on a single charge and tank. It's fully autonomous when you want it to be, handling highways, parking, and even terrain recognition. The suspension system adapts to off-road trails, while laser-guided stabilizers lock the entire vehicle into level mode, no matter the ground beneath it. Security has also been taken to the extreme. Facial recognition at every door, bulletproof smart glass, 360-degree drones patrolling the perimeter, and in the event of a threat, the vehicle can enter panic mode, instantly sealing every entry, turning the glass opaque, and activating defense systems. And tucked into the rear garage bay is a surprise, a hydraulic platform that carries a compact electric sports car, ready to launch when you want to explore the city streets. All of this comes with a price tag that only the elite can consider, $12 million. Yes, it's less than a private jet. Yes, it's cheaper than a mega yacht. But unlike either of those, the GMC Double-Decker can go places they can't. Picture yourself waking up in the desert under 1,000 stars, stepping into your rooftop cinema for a midnight movie. Or imagine parking on the cliffs of Monaco, balconies extending as you sip wine overlooking the Mediterranean. Or floating through a quiet forest valley, watching the mist rise while you eat breakfast in your glass-walled suite. That's what this motorhome offers, freedom wrapped in luxury. So here's the question. If you had the choice, would you pick a mansion, a yacht, a jet, or this? The world's first GMC Double-Decker hotel on wheels. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash like if this blew your mind. And don't forget to subscribe for more insane builds, because the future of luxury travel isn't coming. It's already here. And GMC just drove it into reality.